Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2014 64 plate black Renault Captur. I'll just take you around the bodywork, I'll take you inside, I'll point any features out along the way. So starting with the front left, you've got your LED daytime running lights on the front, out the side. Out to the back right. To the back. To the back here, got quite a lot of normal height boot space, but then you've got this boot separator which does come out to give you access to the entire boot. Ooh, trying to get this back in with one hand is not the easiest. Down the left hand side of the car now. Take you inside. So inside you've got the driver computer up here. So you can hear me. So as you can see on the clock, we've got 43,000 miles on the dot. 4 electric windows and electric mirrors, auto wipers and auto lights. So you've got your sat nav, Bluetooth telephone, and you've got your radio, so FM and AM radio, climate control, 5-speed manual gearbox, keyless entry and keyless start, and you've got a 12-volt port there. And here you've got your eco mode and your cruise control and speed limiter. And included as well, we also have this dash cam, an X-Base dash cam, and a Pure Go for your digital radio as well, which we're going to try and set up. I have to learn how that one works, but okay. Behind here as well, we've got your steering wheel controls. If you're interested in booking a viewing of the vehicle, please feel free to give me a call on 07917 033 781. This car comes with a 1-year warranty, 1-year MOT, 1-year AA breakdown cover. And if you want to find more information about the vehicle or the company, please check out our website, paylessforcar.com. Hope you well, hope to speak to you soon. Take care.